So what's up guys, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will see how to apply sorting methods and how to sort the elements or items of our array. Okay, so first of all I will declare one array where I will put some items. Okay, so now let me show you how to sort the elements of this array. Okay, so if I'm saying fruits dot sort is basically the method which is applied to sort the elements, and if I'm just giving the okay, so now let me just assign this to some variable b. Okay, I'll say b is equal to, and I will give the alert of b. Now if I'm just saving this will sort all the elements of this array according to their alphabets. Okay, so now let me just go to my desktop, and this is that file. Okay, so as can be seen, apple starts with A, so it is different than the grapes, then mango, then the papaya. Okay, so now as can be seen, this has sorted the elements according to the alphabet. Okay, so now if suppose after sorting these elements according to the alphabet, now if suppose I want to print these elements in the reverse order. If suppose I want this last element, which is papaya at the front, then mango, then the grapes and the apple to be listed at the last, then I can do that. I will make use of the sort function. So basically I will apply the sort function, and after that I will apply the reverse function. Okay, so first I will say fruit dot sort, then I will say fruits dot reverse. Okay, so first of all it will once this sentence has been executed, it will be sorting all the elements according to the ascending order, and when this will be encountered, it will be encountering all the elements according to the descending order, and I will get the reverse result. Okay, now I'm saving this. I will come to my browser and refresh my page. So as can be seen, I'm getting the elements in the reverse order. Okay, so now let me just comment out this code. I will comment out the entire thing, and now if suppose you want to sort out the numbers, then I will make use of the number array. Okay, so I will give some numbers. Okay, so these are some of the numbers which are given by me. Now if suppose you want to sort out these numbers, then you cannot make use of the same logic what we have used over here. So in order to sort the numbers, so basically when we are applying these methods, these are sorting out the elements according to the alphabets, but numbers are not alphabets. Okay, so we will be making use of some different way. I will say number dot sort, and inside of this sort we have to declare one function. Okay, so I will say function, then I will pass two variables over here, a comma b, and to this over again I will, and inside of this I will write my code. I will say return a minus b. Okay, and now this logic is working. So now what I'll do is, so now let me just come over here and execute this. I'm not getting any output. Okay, so I have not saved my file. Let me just save this. I will come over here and refresh my page. I'm not getting any output. Okay, so I have forgotten to give the output. Print, I will say alert, and I will say number. Okay, so basically this will be printing me the result of my function. Still it is not working. Okay, it's return. Okay, so now as can be seen, all the elements of the array have been sorted out in the ascending order. So now let me tell you how this code is working. Okay, so when there will be a result, like if suppose first I'm encountering a minus b, which is if suppose the result of a minus b is less than 0. Okay, if the result is less than 0, then whatever element, okay, so when I'll be getting the result negative, if suppose I'm doing a minus b, which is 12 minus the 34, where b is greater, and I will get the negative value. That time this smaller value will be on the that side only, and a bigger value will on the right hand side, so they won't be getting changed. Okay, and now if suppose I am doing a minus b, and result of this calculation is 0, then the both the elements are same, and now if suppose I am doing a minus b, and result of this calculation is greater than 0, that means a is greater. Okay, so this is how the this logic is working. So it will say if the a minus b is negative, then that b value will be pushed to the left, sorry, pushed to the right, and if the a minus b value is equal to 0, then that element won't be getting flipped. And if the result a minus b is greater than 1, okay, so then a will be pushed to the right hand side. Okay, so over here what is happening is, first it will do 12 minus 34, a result of this will be negative, and since 12 is smaller, so it will remain there only. Okay, so this calculation will go on, and it will push the one which is the smallest number to the left. Then I will get 12, then 22, then 34, 40, and the 60. Okay, so this is how this logic is working, which will print all the numbers in the ascending order. Now if you want to print the numbers in the descending order, then this same logic will be applied. What I'll do is, let me just comment out this code. Okay, so now what I've done is I have written the same logic over here, but the only thing is there you have to do b minus a, and it will be printing out all the elements in the reverse order. So now if I'm just saying alert, and passing the name of the array, and if I'm just giving the printout, I'll come over here and refresh. It is not working, there must be some error. Okay, I've forgotten to close my array. At least now it should work. Okay, so there was extra curly bracket here, and because of that it was not working. So let me just refresh this. So as can be seen, I am getting the highest order element first, then the order goes down to in a descending format. Okay, so this is how you can sort out the elements ascending in ascending order and descending order with this logic. Thanks for watching.